Elite.
Warfighters.
Discipline.
Resilient.
Patriotic.
Heroic.
Role model.
Those are just a few words that come to mind when one hears of a Marine. For 243 years, the Marines have been at the forefront of America's battles, defending the oppressed and defeating tyranny. The Marines have been exemplary in their actions, always being a cut above the rest, while upholding the values of honor, courage, commitment. Today, you are part of a legacy that your friends, family, and country are proud of. Happy birthday, Marines.